Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about the most awaited fruit, that is banana. Actually many people ask me this question, whether if we eat banana does it cause weight gain, or why I can't digest banana, and whether banana is a bad fruit, or if somebody is diabetic, can they have banana? If somebody has allergic sinusitis and all the time there is running nose, this kind of problem, can they have banana? Or what is the best time to consume banana? It's good to have banana in the morning, afternoon, or at night. Also, why I can't have banana at night? So these are the most common questions that I face mostly, and people are asking continuously the same things again and again. So all these questions I am very grateful to all of you, but at the same time I thought I should create a video regarding it so that all your questions will be solved in this video and you will have more than enough information regarding banana according to Ayurveda. I know for most of the children banana is their favorite fruit, and in our Indian culture also, when child start eating anything other than milk, the first fruit we give to that child, that is called Phala Prashan Sanskar, that is one of the 16 sanskaras that are mentioned in Indian tradition and especially in Hindu tradition, that is banana. So the first fruit mostly the child taste is most likely it's banana. The reason behind giving banana to the child is this: like it is a full nutritious food, it contains a lot of calcium that are needed for growth of the child, and even children like these bananas so much. But make sure if you are giving any banana to a child, it should be fully ripe naturally, it should be free from any kind of chemicals, and always peel out banana with washed hands, wash a banana properly and then only give to the child. So this is another story about why to give banana to the child. I will mention this thing in some another video, but for now I will take some another questions, like whether it is good to have banana at night or no. Regarding banana, what Ayurveda has to say about this fruit is, this banana fruit is extremely kapha enhancing. So all those people who already have enough weight, they should avoid banana even in afternoons. So when they can have banana, they can have banana in the morning. In the morning, if you eat banana, like I mentioned in many of my videos, in morning meal if you eat banana, it will not cause weight gain. Why? Because during the day there is enough digestive fire in our system. As sun goes down, like at night there is no sun, so it becomes extremely difficult to digest banana. And if you eat banana at night, most of the times you can experience it by yourself. You will see like banana is sitting somewhere on your chest, it doesn't go down, and you feel high discomfort if you have banana at night. At least I feel this discomfort, and many other people they have shared the same experience. And even our Ayurveda has to say about this, like banana, if you are eating after sunset, it becomes extremely difficult to digest, because banana is something which already slows down your metabolism, because it is kapha enhancing fruit. And if there is more kapha in your system, that is very obvious that your metabolism is going to be low. So all those people who are having banana after sunset, and if they also have associated problems like sinusitis or running nose problem, or if they feel like their this nasal discharge never goes, it always goes like this, then you should always try to avoid banana after sunset. So all these people, when they can have banana, they can have banana in the morning as a morning fruit. Like I mentioned in all my videos, you can have a big bowl of fruits in the morning before cooked meals. So because it is good to have 50% of your food as raw, and fruit is the best source for all the minerals and vitamins. So you should include fruits in your diet, and in these fruits you can have banana. Also, if there are people who wants to gain weight, they can have banana in afternoon meals, because in afternoon if you are eating banana, it will help you to gain weight. Because in afternoons, like at 2 or 3 o'clock, as you know, your digestive fire will start going down, and if you are feeling hungry after morning meals in afternoon, then you can have banana in your diet, and this will help you to gain weight. But in the morning, if you are having banana, it will not slow down your metabolism. So you can include banana in your diet during morning times. So next question comes, whether children can have banana or not. Yes, all children love banana, and you can give banana to the children. But make sure you don't give banana to children after sunset. You give them in the morning or afternoons or whenever they are hungry, but not after sunset, because if you are giving your child banana after sunset, according to Ayurveda principles, it will slow down its metabolism and it can be responsible for gaining weight. Many times this happen, especially those people who are working in offices or whose offices are very far away, or any business people. What happens when they come home, they are extremely exhausted and they think, who will cook? Better than cooking, best to have bananas at night, because bananas are full diet, and if we consume banana, hunger will be satisfied, and banana is more healthy option. And many people think like banana is very healthy option as a dinner. So according to Ayurveda principles, you should never consume banana at night, because it is extremely kapha enhancing, and it can lead, if you keep eating banana daily at night, it can lead to sore throat, sinusitis and various kind of nasal allergies. So this precaution you need to take before consuming banana at night. Many people ask me this question also, like they are having excessive weight, but they love banana as a fruit because from their childhood they are keep eating banana. So give us some solution to have banana, because we just want to have banana. So regarding that, you need not to stop your craving for banana, because banana is extremely healthy fruit, but you would need to fix time for it, like you need to have it in the morning, and when you are having it, you can either spray little bit of pepper on it or little bit of cinnamon on it. So cinnamon has a lot of dryness properties. Cinnamon powder, half teaspoon, very little bit, pinch of it. So cinnamon has a lot of dryness properties, and it subsides its kapha dosha. So it will balance its kapha dosha. So all those people who have tendency to gain weight, they can have banana with little bit of cinnamon powder over it. So next question which people are asking mostly, like, can banana be consumed with salt? If you want to consume banana, don't consume it with salt, because salt is also kapha enhancing and banana is also kapha enhancing. So if you mix salt with banana, it will become double dose of kapha, and then it will definitely will cause weight gain. So all those people who have weight gain tendency, try to avoid banana with salt. It's better you can have banana with little bit of pepper over it. And for other fruits, if you want to put salt, you can sprinkle little bit of Himalayan salt, that is pink colored salt. I already have created video regarding it. There is a link below, you can click on that link and you can watch the properties of this salt and how it is beneficial. So you can make use of it. But for banana, don't combine it with salt, because it will be responsible for gaining weight. So now the most common question that people are asking, can we have banana shake? Because children love banana shake. So what to do, like how we can stop children from having banana shake, or even ourselves? I know I have weight gaining tendency, but still I want to have this banana shake. So what to do? So regarding this, one thing I would like to mention you, like I told you, milk is a complete diet in itself. In Ayurveda principles, there is no combination of nuts with milk or fruits with milk. Milk should be taken always separately. There is no proper combination mentioned in Ayurveda, that you have milk and you have banana and banana shakes. These are not described in Ayurveda. The reason behind this is this, because banana is already kapha enhancing, and milk itself contains animal protein which takes 2.5 hours to digest. Though it is not, this protein is not as difficult to digest as meat or red meat, but still this protein, because it is animal product, it takes a lot of time to digest. So if you are combining banana with it, banana or itself is a complete fruit, like it's heavy, it's kapha enhancing, and when you combining milk with banana, that is banana shake, it will take a lot of time to digest and it will also slows down your metabolism. But still, if you want to have banana shake once in a while, like once in a month, you can have just for taste purpose, but don't make banana shake as your part of your diet which you are going to take it daily, because it will slow down your metabolism and it will be responsible for weight gain. So in Ayurveda, milk and banana is no combination, but still, as both things are healthy, if you want to take sometimes once in a while in some restaurant or in some party or some home get-togethers, you can have, but once in month or once in 2 months, depending on your body type, what is your prakriti, your constitution. And those of you who don't know what is your constitution, we already have created a video from Ayurveda we already have created a video named Dosha series, how to know your body type. You can click on that link and you can know your body type. So if you also from Kapha Prakriti, so then you need to take certain precautions regarding banana. Next question is, can old people have banana? Yes, old people can also have banana, but the banana that is given to the old people, make sure it should be fully ripe, not black and totally become messy, not like that. It should be healthy banana, it should be properly ripe. And unripe banana, if you give to old people, it can cause stomach pain and indigestion. So it is very, very important when it comes to old people, the banana that you are giving, it should be fully ripe. You know, by touching you can see whether the banana is ripe or not, or even looks of banana told like, okay, I am ripe or not. It should not be like have any bent over it, like, you know, that dark brown color, that should not be there. But it should be properly ripe. When you open banana, you know, there is sometimes pulp became very bad. That pulp you should remove, that you should not eat. And the healthy banana you can give to your parents or grandparents or old people. Can women eat banana because it can cause weight gain? This is a very common question which I have taken in this video. Yes, women can also have banana, but at the same time don't be just scared of gaining weight. If you will eat consciously, no weight gain will happen. Especially banana will be extremely beneficial if a woman is going through menopause or having osteoporosis problem, because banana is a great source of calcium. And if you are taking banana, you need not to take excessive calcium supplements. And after menopause, it is very common, like woman goes through degeneration of calcium levels in her blood. So if you are eating banana in the morning as a diet, you can have enough calcium in your body. And a single banana you can make a part of your diet. But yes, when it comes to banana shake, you can have once in 2 months or once in a month, not daily. There was one more question regarding banana, like, can diabetic people can have banana? Because banana, you know, diabetes, though all those people who have diabetes, banana should be avoided. At the same time, all those people who have who are in pre-diabetic stage. So for pre-diabetic people, you can have banana, half banana you can have, but at the same time, if you are eating banana, you should go for a walk for at least 2 kilometers. In this way, if you are having banana, then it will not impact your sugar levels. But all those people who have fluctuating sugar levels, like today is 120, next in 150, then 280, 300. So, if your sugar levels are fluctuating like this, and if sugar levels are not in balanced spectrum, then in these cases banana should be avoided. And if your sugar level is stable and there is no other complication of diabetes that is attached, like retinopathy, neuropathy, these kind of problems if not there, like nerve related problem or eye related problems because of sugar, then you can have half banana. But if your doctor has strictly guided you not to eat banana, because there are many other factors also for diabetes patients that need to be taken in consideration, there cannot be a general protocol for all diabetes people. It is not like that. If your doctor has prescribed you not to eat banana, then please try to avoid banana. And like pre-diabetic people, like I mentioned, whose diabetes level is below 126 mg per dl, and all those people who are going through pre-diabetic stage, like they are not confirmed with diabetes, the diabetes has not happened to them yet, but it is pre-diabetic, they can have banana, half banana they can have. At the same time, focus on your Kapalbhatis, focus on your yoga, focus on your diet, focus on walking, focus on exercise, so that if you eat banana and it will enhance kapha in your system, this kapha will be subsided by a lot of physical activity. So, that is all for today's video. If you have any question regarding this, please write down those questions. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. Also, if you want to have Ayurveda consultation, please write down to us. We will arrange, we will schedule a consultation for you. And also, if you are watching me for the first time, there is a subscription button, there is a bell icon, you can click the subscription button, you can hit the bell icon, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button, you can click this join button and you can support us. So, that is all for today's video. I hope you will like this video. With this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends and family. Let's spread well-being to all with yoga and Ayurveda. Bye. Take care.